A software bill of materials, SBOM, is essentially a detailed ingredient list for a piece of software, providing a machine-readable inventory of every component, library, and dependency used in its creation. In modern development, where applications rely heavily on hundreds of open-source packages, and SBOM is critical for security because it allows teams to quickly identify if a newly discovered vulnerability, like Log4j, affects their specific stack. The BOM utility, often referred to as the Kubernetes BOM tool, is a specialized open-source tool designed to generate these manifests specifically in the SPDX, Software Package Data Exchange, format, which is an international standard for documenting software metadata. How the BOM tool works. Unlike simpler scanners, the BOM tool is built to handle complex, multi-layered environments. It can analyze local directories, individual files, and container images, even reaching into specific image layers to see exactly where a dependency was introduced. When you run a command like BOM generate, the tool performs a deep scan of your project, detecting over 400 different license types and cataloging versions, suppliers, and unique identifiers like package URLs, PURLs. This data is then structured into a hierarchical document that shows not just what is in your software, but how those components relate to each other, for example, which library depends on which framework. Key features and use cases. Container deep dive. It can pull an image from a remote registry and decompose it into its base image and subsequent layers, documenting each one as a subpackage. Automation ready. Because it was developed by the Kubernetes SIG release team, it is highly optimized for C/CD pipelines, allowing developers to generate a fresh SBOM automatically every time they build a new version of their software. Transparency and compliance. By producing a standard SPDX file, BOM ensures that your software meets modern regulatory requirements, such as those mandated by the U.S. Executive Order on Cybersecurity, which requires vendors to provide SBOM for any software sold to the government. Visualization. Beyond just creating files, the BOM document outline command provides a human-readable tree view of the SBOM, making it easy for security auditors to verify the software's composition at a glance. How to generate an SBOM with BOM. From a local directory. To scan your current project directory and generate an SPDX file. Bash. BOM generate. Output myproject.spdx. From a container image. One of BOM's strongest features is its ability to reach inside a container image to see its layers. Bash. BOM generate image gcr.io/google containers/pause, 3.2. The tool will pull the image, analyze the layers, and list every package found within its specific environment. From specific files. If you only want to document specific binaries or configuration files. Bash. BOM generate fbinary.exe fconfig.yaml http://mynamespace.com/